Once again, I apologize for my voice in this video. It's not back yet. But this is the video for activity 7.1.2 word creation. And again, we're using our prefixes at, ab, ac, ad, s. And they're in the figure 2 table up here. I'm going to do 3 of these examples with you. It did give you an example here, but I will help you with a couple more. So it says, add a prefix to the given word in order to match the provided definition. For example, the given word is symmetry, but we need to change the word symmetry by adding a prefix so that it means contrasting appearance on both sides. Symmetry means something is symmetrical, means it's the same on both sides. We want it to be contrasting, that means the opposite. So I'm going to look at my prefixes and think which list would mean opposite. Would it be away or from, to, toward, or added to? It seems like opposite would be away or from. So I'm either going to have this prefix or this prefix. And when I listen to them, asymmetry and absymmetry, asymmetry sounded right. I've heard it before. If I hadn't heard it before, I could look it up and see which one is really the word. So asymmetry is the example. Number 2, moral. So moral, but we need to change it to mean without a sense of right or wrong. Well, without seems again like this is going to be the opposite. Let's check our prefixes. Would without be away or from, or without be to, toward, added to? This feels again like it's the opposite. So we're away from morals. We're free from morals. We're without a sense of right or wrong. So I'm going to either have amoral or abmoral. And I know that amoral is right. But again, if you didn't know which one of those was right, you could look it up and see which one is right. Abmoral doesn't sound right. Amoral is correct. Next one, traction. Traction. We need to add a prefix that makes it mean together by an external force. Okay? Together. Together. So would my prefix be to, toward, or added to? Or would it be away or from? Well, together makes it sound like we're adding something together or they're moving toward each other. So it's going to be ac, add, or as. And we've got traction. So would it be attraction, add traction? Oh, hold on one second. I did this one wrong. I should not have underlined together. I should have underlined external force because the answer is attraction. I made a boo-boo. Hey, we're rolling with it. I did want you to know, though, that when we have a consonant, like a T, a C, an S, or a P, the rule for adding the prefix A is that we need to double those letters. So that might be hard to remember, but I need a second T. Wow, I made a big boo-boo there. Okay, the next one, number 8. So our root is join, and we need to change the meaning of join to mean next to and or touching. Next to and or touching. So is this going to be away or from, or it's going to be to, toward, or added to? I'm feeling like this one is to, toward, or added to because it says next to or touching. So I feel like we're going to have the option adjoin, or adjoin. Only one of these is right. Okay. Adjoin, adjoin, usjoin. And I know which one sounds right, but if you say you narrow it down to these two, you can look them up and you'll find out that adjoin is the correct answer. Adjoin. And actually, the D is kind of silent in that word, isn't it?